World community is celebrating this year's World Facilities Management Day. Discussions are on opportunities in the facility management industry and raising the consciousness for green buildings in Nigeria. Deliberating on the theme towards optimal performance of critical infrastructure and real estate assets in Nigeria, experts also sought ways to increase awareness on improving organizational efficiency through facility management. This year's roundtable is the third in the series, hosted by AlphaMed Facilities Management Services.
You no longer can take your built-up environment for granted if you must optimize productivity. And that's where the job of a facility manager comes in. Infrastructures are changing, building practices and global assets are being optimized. And that essentially explains this 2014 Roundtable of Facility Management in commemoration of World Facility Management Day, courtesy of AlphaMed FM Services.
At AM Facilities, our motivation to commemorate the World FM Day in Nigeria with this annual Roundtable event is entrenched in the core of our business, which is to engage the right people, process, and place. We are greatly encouraged by the results of this effort over the years.
Human attitudes to facility needs to change. Fossil fuel has to give way to other environmental friendly systems. Green buildings are evolving globally. And so the advocacy here is for you to have a facility management enshrined in your design and construction.
Our current building practices are not sustainable into the future. Green buildings consume lower energy. They have better indoor environmental quality. They have lower emissions. They have better waste management systems. They are highly efficient. In terms of building materials brought in to those buildings are very environmental friendly.
People are looking at the opportunities in Nigeria that are open in the sustainability market.
You can use FM and design to actually control and influence how people behave. That's why people will behave in a public space, in a particular way in Nigeria, and they get elsewhere in the world. They behave in what you consider to be market sector.
People spend, but they cannot account for what they're spending for. It doesn't translate to value. But when you have good facilities management system in place, particularly when it's a source to reputable organization, what that does is that it enables you to track your cost from a single point.
The Nigerian arm of facility management is gaining ground. Benchmarking is also becoming formidable. Banks are getting involved, and all these positives notwithstanding, AlphaMed says it will continue to pursue best practices that add value to a built-up environment. Olu Phillips, Channels Television News.
First Bank.